Welcome to Island by Film. My name is Wes. Today I'm reviewing the Hohem iSteady, a feature-rich smartphone gimbal designed with creators in mind. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your mobile video setup, this gimbal delivers a powerful blend of stabilization, tracking, lighting, and app integration, all in a package that stays friendly to beginners. Let's start with the basics. The iSteady M7 is a 3-axis stabilizer built to handle today's large smartphones, including pro models, foldables, and even phones with lenses, or external mics attached. Right away, you'll notice the build quality feels robust. The motors are smooth and quiet, and the body is solid in hand, and the design is compact enough to travel with, but loaded with pro-level flexibility. One of the first features that sets the gimbal apart is its magnetic AI vision sensor. This little module attaches to the top of the gimbal and includes its own dedicated camera system, allowing it to track subjects independently of your smartphone. That means you can film using your preferred camera app or even a third-party one and still have full subject tracking thanks to this onboard module. Gesture control is built right into it. Flash the OK sign at it and it'll start tracking you. Raise your palm and it stops. It works even at a distance, making it perfect for solo creators, vloggers, or anyone who wants to stay in frame without constantly touching the camera. The AI sensor doesn't just track people, it can follow pets, vehicles, or objects, and it performs smoothly in both fast and slow movement scenarios. That same module also doubles as a fill light with built-in RGB and adjustable white light. You can shift from daylight to tungsten tones or create a creative look with saturated color, all adjustable either on the remote or in the app. It's bright enough for evening shoots and versatile enough for key or accent lighting, especially in tight setups. Then there's the detachable OLED touchscreen remote. It docks magnetically into the handle and once attached, gives you full control from adjusting modes and triggering tracking to adjusting the light. You'll also get a live video preview from the AI sensor so you can track subjects remotely and confidently. The remote works from up to 10 meters away, making it perfect for creators who want freedom to move while staying in control. The telescoping extension pole adds nearly 20 centimeters of reach, perfect for overhead walkthroughs, low cinematic angles, or just more flattering selfie frame. Combined with the gimbal's infinite pan and wide tilt range, you can pull off shots that would normally require multiple pieces of gear. Stabilization is powered by Hohem's iSteady 9.0 algorithm. It's fast, smooth, and handles heavier phones without a struggle. I found it very capable when walking, shooting handheld B-roll, or even tracking fast-moving subjects like bikes or people on the go. It reacts intuitively, but stays fluid, which gives your footage a very polished feel. You get a solid list of shooting modes: pan, follow, pan, tilt, follow, lock mode, POV, sport mode, ultra wide, and custom mode. Each one serves a specific shooting style, and they're all easy to switch between either on the gimbal, the remote, or through the app. Now let's talk about the Hohem Joy app. This is really where the M7's creative potential gets unlocked. Once connected via Bluetooth, the app gives you full manual camera control, ISO, shutter speed, exposure, white balance, frame rate, at your fingertips. You can adjust motor strength, follow speed, joystick response, and save your preferences as custom profiles. Inside the Creative Studio section of the app, you'll find a range of smart features designed for filmmakers and social content creators. Motion Timelapse lets you set up waypoints and have the gimbal move between them smoothly over time. It's great for storytelling sequences or scenic transitions. Dolly Zoom, also known as the vertigo effect, adds that surreal background shift where your subject stays locked, but the perspective changes dramatically. Inception mode is another standout. It spins your camera 360 degrees on its roll axis, creating a hypnotic spiraling motion that's perfect for music videos, reels, or just adding cinematic flair to your shots. You'll also find Clone Me for multiple position composite photos and Panorama for seamless ultra-wide shots. Gesture control settings are all customizable here too. You can fine-tune how and when the AI sensor responds to movement. Battery life is another strong point. You can get up to 12 hours on standby, around 7 to 8 hours with consistent use, and around 3 to 4 hours if you're using the fill light at full brightness. The M7 charges via USB-C and even allows for reverse charging, so your phone can pull power from the gimbal while you film. The gimbal weighs around 650 grams, folds flat with locking arms, and includes 2 standard quarter 20 mounting points, one on the bottom and one on the side, giving you options for tripods, mics, or accessory arms. To wrap up, here's what stands out to me. The AI tracking is impressive. It's smooth and smart and doesn't rely on your phone's camera. The OLED remote adds serious value for solo creators and remote operation. The built-in light is bright, creative, and controllable. The Hohem Joy app expands the tool set with features like Motion Timelapse, Dolly Zoom, and Inception mode. Stabilization is top-notch, and the reverse charging makes it more practical for long shooting days. Here's what could be improved. It's not exactly lightweight. At just under 630 grams, you'll feel it on long shoots. The remote screen can be tough to see in direct sunlight, and first-time setup takes a few minutes, especially if you're balancing a heavier or off-center iPhone. But once you're up and running, the iSteady M7 offers one of the most complete mobile filmmaking kits I've used. It's packed with tools that'll give you control, versatility, and creative freedom, whether you're making YouTube content, shooting music videos, or just capturing everyday life in a more cinematic way. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and drop any questions in the comments below. I'll see you on the next time, right here on Island by Film.